friends, today we're going to open a LOL surprise house, and I got it for my birthday. So let's go ahead and open it. Unload the truck. Now let's unbox all the boxes one by one. We put all of the furniture in and stuff. Now we're going to show you the stuff inside. So first we got a salon. Very cool. There's a little closet here to put some clothes and a little thing so you could put in. And these could open too. There you go. Now when you go from the salon, you go out here. And here's the balcony. Here's a little umbrella. It's just in case if there's sun. And when you come down the stairs, here's this area. Yeah, it's very cool. And then we're gonna pretend we went inside here and we went to the bathroom and watch this. And another one is here. So cool, right? So you can see where you are. And a little pacifier is there. Now we're gonna, there's a little elevator here. So what if you're up here? And then you want it to go down here and down here. But let's go down there first. So we're gonna go down, beep, beep. There we go. And then you come out and we have a living room here. And we have a little girl relaxing. She's tired. And we're going to show you this. Lights just in case if it's dark. Now we're going to move on. When they walk from the living room to the kitchen, look at that. There's pizza here and another pizza. And here's a little refrigerator. And we can put little bottles in the fridge. Now next off, we need to kind of go here and do here. Here's some pools. So here you can relax with it. A little table and a chair. And a little sand pit, pretend. And this is a little pool where you can put water in. And then another one with water, but it's small for babies. You like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!